Hi, welcome to Sweet Sorcery. I'm Maggie and today we're making scones. The link to the written recipe is in the description box below. First we need to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Then we add the salt to the flour. Pop the flour into a sifter and sift into a large bowl. Ensuring your butter is nice and cold, rub it into the flour using your fingers. Once the butter's all rubbed in, make a well in the middle with your fingers. Pour the milk in slowly, but leave a little left over for glazing at the end. Using a spatula, stir until you have a nice, slightly sticky dough. This is where things start to get a little messy. Lightly flour the bench so your dough doesn't stick to it. Knead lightly and push out to about 2 centimeters thick. Using a cookie cutter, cut out your scones. Any size is fine, or a mixture if you're wanting a bit of variety. Make sure to dip your cookie cutter into flour so it doesn't stick to the dough. With the last of the dough, just squish it into a scone shape. This one's for the chef to taste test. It's always a good idea to make a little extra for the chef. Put your scones close together on the tray and then brush the scones with a bit of milk. Pop them in the oven on the middle shelf for 15 to 20 minutes until they're a lovely golden brown. Now that the scones have come out of the oven, to serve, we cut them in half and spread with a little jam and cream. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.